Hello everybody. So today we start a simple case in HYSYS. Here we first of all have to choose our components. I choose methane, ethane, propane, butane and butane. Close it. Then go to fluid package. Select one fluid package. I select Peng Robinson. Cross it. And you have basis 1, number of components 5, property package Peng Robinson. Enter simulation environment. Put a stream. Put a compressor, and then you can press control and then make a collection like this, and this is my energy stream. First of all I have to define my feed stream, that is temperature is 200 Fahrenheit, pressure is 100 psi, molar flow is 200, that is my default LV mole per hour, and then composition my check is sorry, no, I don't need to change the properties. I have to change the composition, that is my mole fraction 0.4, 0.2, 0.2, 0.1 and then 0.1. So this makes 1. Okay. Then I have to define my outlet pressure which I want, that is 200 psi. Let's finish. It gives me the power of 95 horsepower, and I can see my both the streams like this. This is my input, and you can see the temperature has been raised to 76 degree Fahrenheit. That's all. You can save the case by any name. Test 1. That's quite simple, you can see.